Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn Skill India free courses 2026 government certificate courses list and how to register on the Skill India digital and government website and Skill India Kaushal Bharat and Kushal Bharat, and this is the Ministry of Skill Development. So we'll go through the step by step process. So want to learn a new skill on the free and boost your career. In this video, I'll discover how to use the Skill India digital platform to enroll in government backed courses and certificates and improve your employability. So this Skill India Digital Hub offers training across many sectors including IT, AI coding, digital marketing, communication, internship, and more. It's a designed to help students, job seekers, and working professionals upskill through online learning, other skill development opportunities. So this is the URL. So in this video, we'll go through the what is the Skill India, what is the Skill India Digital, how to register on the portal, how to find the free and paid courses, how you can join Skill India courses, benefit of Skill India certificates, and tips to choosing the right course. So frequently asked question is that what is Skill India? So Skill India is the government of India initiative launches on the promote skill development and improve employability through the vocational training on the upskilling program. What is Skill India Digital? Skill India Digital, also called the Skill India Digital Hub, is an online platform where learners can discover skill courses, learning resources, apprentices, and course opportunities. So our Skill India courses are free. Many of the course and learning resources are available free of cost, while some of the partner program may have additional requirement or fee depending upon the provider. Who can apply on the Skill India courses? Student, fresher, job seekers, professionals, and lifelong learners can use the platform to build a new skill and explore the career opportunities. Next, can I get a certificate after completing a course? Many courses provide the certificate or completion credential based on the course and training partner. Check the course detail before enrolling. What type of courses are available? The platform includes the course in areas such as the information technology, AI, coding, digital marketing, communication skill, internship, and many other sectors. Is Skill India useful for the getting a job? The platform is designed to help learners gain industry relevant skills and also support apprentices and employment related services depending upon the eligibility and availability. So we'll go through the link. So this is the link. When you'll open this link, we can find this page. Here you can see there's a drone software technician. This is the free of charge, and the time is there. 1 hour course is there. You can apply. You when you will click, you will find this all the details about this one self place assessment learning, and other you can go with the other courses also. Just let me check. There is a software product developer, software test engineer, mobile device management analyst, IT technical support executive, and cloud infra analyst, LinkedIn non job interview tips to get selected. So any of one course you can enroll and you can test. So certification type, certificate or participation. Okay. After completing this one, you will get a certificate of participation. This is online. Additional details, skill course and other details you can find there. Next topic, cloud foundation architecture and development tools, like that you can find about that your requirement and you can go with your details. So this is a free. Best thing is that some of many courses are free. So there is a step-by-step process to how to register. So click on the register. You are a learner, participant, partner, or digital ecosystem. So I am learner. You have to provide your mobile number and email address. Let me provide an email address. Click on continue. So you'll get a OTP on both the. Okay. So here I got a OTP. So my mobile OTP is 725691. This is a one time, so you won't get anything on this. And let me check on my email. So email also I got the OTP 50000038. So now you have to set your account password. I have set. So this is secure. Click on set. Now it will ask you the Aadhaar details. So eKYC. So by iris, by biometric, by OTP. You can just click one of them. Okay. So just by OTP, then you have to provide your Aadhaar number here and you have to enroll this one. You can use your VID also. So how to generate the VID? VID. So VID generation. So you can click on this virtual ID. So what is VID and other details you can find. So this is a virtual ID instead of Aadhaar ID. This is a if you click there, this 16-digit Aadhaar virtual ID number map with the Aadhaar number. Then you have to go through the term and condition, then accept the term and condition, then just continue. Then you will go to get a OTP and you will be enrolled on this. So next step you will get on this. So this is the process. So after this, I have logged in and my profile is created. Okay. Now I can click on the enroll. When I'll click on the enroll, I have to complete this process only, then only I'll get. So after enroll, you can go with the this one tutorial and all the course detail you can find. So like that. So in this video, we have learned how to learn with the Skill India free courses 2026 government certificate courses and how to register on the Skill India digital. So step by step process we have completed. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. And for any copyright concern, you can send me mail on this email address. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box and like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. So all the step by step we have completed on this. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.